Welcome to Quick Learn Hub, where we make big ideas easy to understand. Today we're talking about a word you've probably heard a lot, Web3. But what does Web3 actually mean? Is it just a crypto buzzword, or is it really the future of the internet? Let's find out together. First, what is Web3? To get what Web3 is, it helps to take a quick look back at what came before it. Web 1 was the early internet. Simple, static websites. You could read stuff, but that was it. No comments, no videos, just text. Web 2 is the internet most of us know today. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google. You can read, you can post, you can interact. But here's the thing. You don't really own anything. Your data, your content, your audience, it all lives on platforms that can take it away anytime. Now here comes Web 3. The idea that you should actually own your stuff online. With Web3, the internet becomes decentralized. That means instead of big tech controlling everything, blockchains do. So, what makes Web3 different? Here's the short version. It's built on blockchain, a secure, shared digital ledger. You use a wallet instead of a username and password. You can own digital things, like coins, art, real estate, or even your social media profile. You're not just a user, you're part of the system. In Web3, you hold the keys, literally. With a wallet like MetaMask or Phantom, you control your data, your money, and your identity. Where is Web3 being used? Let's go through a few real examples. Finance, DeFi. You can borrow, lend, and trade crypto with no banks involved. Just smart contracts on platforms like Uniswap or Aave. Digital ownership, NFTs. Buy a piece of digital art or music, you actually own it. Not just a copy, but a verifiable token tied to your wallet. DAOs. That stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Groups that run on code instead of CEOs. People vote with tokens instead of shares. Cool, right? Web3 social media. Imagine Twitter, but your followers and posts live in your wallet, not on their servers. That's what apps like Lens Protocol are building. Digital identity. Instead of logging in with your email or Google account, you just sign in with your wallet. Fast, secure, and private. Why does this matter? Okay, so Web3 sounds interesting, but why should you care? Let's talk about what Web3 can fix. First, ownership. Right now, the content you post can be taken down. The money you earn can be frozen. With Web3, it's yours because it lives in your wallet. Second, transparency. Blockchains are public. You can see where money moves, how apps work, and who's involved in real time. Third, opportunity. In Web 2, the platform gets rich. In Web 3, you can earn tokens for participating, whether that's creating content, voting in a DAO, or just holding a stake. Web 3 is not about replacing everything overnight. It's about giving people more power and control in the digital world. Is it ready yet? Not completely. Right now, Web 3 can be confusing. Wallets, gas fees, bridges, it's not beginner-friendly yet. Also, scams still happen, regulations are catching up, and many projects are still experimental. But here's the thing. That's how all major tech starts. Remember when the early internet looked ugly and slow? Look at it now. The bottom line. Web3 is not a product. It's not one website. It's a shift in how the internet works. Instead of big companies owning everything, Web3 gives you the chance to own, earn, and build in a more open world. Will it replace Web 2? Maybe not fully, but it's already changing how people think about money, identity, and ownership. And that's just the beginning. What do you think? Would you want your social media, your money, and your identity on the blockchain? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Quick Learn Hub for more videos that make complex topics simple. This video is for learning only. It's not financial advice.